I have to take a lot of medication to keep going. I haven't taken any medication now since Satabank collapsed. I can't even pay my household insurance when my bill comes in next month for my electricity. I can't pay for my phone. I can't pay for top-ups on my mobile. And how is meant to survive?
Idin l-esperjenza ta' anzjan Ingliż ta' 64 sena Jeffrey Court illi l-eluq ta' Satabank f'pajjiżna fisser ukoll li flusu kollha jinsabu maqbuda u ma jista' jagħmel xejn. Biex joħroġ flusu, Jeffrey jrid jiftaħ kont bankarju f'bank ieħor, iżda dan mhux possibbli jew għax il-banek li jikkuntattja jalqulu l-bib f'wiċċu meta jsemmilhom li kien klijent ta' Satabank inkella li xed jitolbuh riferenza bil-miktub. Madankollu lanqas din mija għażla possibbli hekk kif Satabank jinsab magħluq u allura m'hemm ħadd min jagħmillu din ir-referenza. U fid-dawl ta' dan kollu, Jeffrey jinsab flama dwar x'qed jiġri tant li ltqajna miegħu wara waħda miż-żjarat regolari tiegħu għal xejn fl-uffiċċji ta' Satabank f'San Ġiljan.
The way the situation's been handled, I think is dreadful. I was told 3 Mondays ago that every Monday there'll be an update on the Financial Institute's website. Not happened. Now, whenever you go here, they keep saying to you, there's no updates, there's no updates. Then you read in the paper saying that monies will be released shortly, but when?
Jeffrey ilu ftit inqas minn 5 snin jgħix f'pajjiżna ġie hawn meta mardet ommu li sfortunatament tilef is-sena li għaddiet u kien hawn li għażel illi jibqa' f'pajjiżna.
What happens if this situation drags on?
I have no idea. I have no idea. I would just have to carry on and hoping that people that will help me out when it's needed. This situation should be sorted. You know, and it's a nightmare.
Emozzjonat tant li f'mument żamm li jibki, Jeffrey tkarrab lill-awtoritajiet biex isolvu din il-kwistjoni u joħorġu lilu u lil eluf oħra minn din il-kriżi illi tagħha ma jaħtu xejn.